Today I'm going to be applying a protein treatment. The one I'm using today is the brand Afrogy. I purchased the shampoo, the 2-step protein treatment, the balancing moisturizer, and the leave-in conditioner for styling. After I colored my hair, my stylist told me to be sure that I alternate protein treatments and deep conditioning treatments every week. I did this for 2 months, and now I only do it as needed. I straightened my hair and it's super dry, so this treatment should restore some of the damage that's been done. Hair is made out of protein, so this treatment can strengthen strands and reverse damage. It's winter, and I never considered before just how brutal the cold could be on my hair. I'll probably do treatments in the winter and the summer. I'm washing my hair in 4 sections to make the detangling process easier because I have to be quick. I used to get confused because the treatment bottle says 2-step, and I felt like I didn't understand what the other step was, but it's simple. You wash your hair first, then you use the 2-step protein treatment. The hair will harden, so afterwards you rinse it out and follow up with the balancing moisturizer to wash it out. Deep conditioner is also an option after washing out the treatment. So in other videos I've watched with people doing protein treatments, they apply the treatment with a spray bottle because it's in a very loose liquid form. I'm applying it straight from the bottle with a drip bowl to catch the excess. And here is the main detail about this. The protein treatment must be evenly distributed and then blow dried, which will make your hair very stiff. Use a hooded dryer or a regular handheld blow dryer. Do not put on a shower cap and do not attempt to comb or detangle after hair has hardened. I ended up finding a bottle that I used to spray the treatment on last time, so I'll just use some of this to spot treat. Here I am after about 15 minutes after blow drying on high. This hair is now crispy, crunchy, stiff. I'm being very careful in showing how it moves here because it's extremely vulnerable in this state. This stuff is very sticky. Once I spilled some on a wood fixture and now it's just a part of it. I also forgot to mention before to wear something that you won't mind getting messy. Finally, I used the balancing moisturizer to revert the hair back to softness. A moment of transparency. I wasn't expecting the leave-in to be so liquidy. This probably won't work for me because I need something more cream-based. But for the sake of this video, I'll just use it. morning, my hair was super stiff, just like I knew it would be because of the state of the leave-in. So I just applied a little more again until it loosened up. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found the instructions easy to follow if you're considering using a protein treatment. Watch other videos so you can feel more comfortable before using it. If you don't mind, please subscribe if you already haven't, and I'll see you next time.